know, no man. This don't even want a chicken in it. Just the rice alone. Wow! Come down now, Miss Kitty. Come down now. Pops, we now got no Kentucky.
So hi guys, today, you know, we're heading to Aunt's house and Uncle Errol's place. And you know, because we feel like, you know, we're home. It's now 12:39 and we're home and we just feel like we just want to be somewhere, we want to get somewhere, we want to try do something, you know. And so we're here together on Neutral Vibes. We're heading to pick up Sasa and Harold, and so we're gonna head to a river and, you know, cook up a storm.
We're going to Toolis. I don't know who cooks in the night. You understand?
It's a Sunday, we just want to have a vibe.
It's way after 12.
And drink some juice.
Sunday
and
dinner
stuff.
should be ready from in the morning. So
Well,
let's see where today takes us.
Yeah.
So tune into Neutral Vibes. Enjoy. So we'll be having Errol and Sassy with us today. So we're on our way. We're now on the tour. We're heading to Clarendon, and that's where we'll be taking up Errol and Sassy from and make our way all the way to Manchester, Toolis, Manchester. Alright, so tune in guys.
Yes guys, I hope you guys enjoy. It's nothing great, it's just, you know, just vibing, you know, but stay with us while we vibe together. Neutral vibe. Yeah, so we pick up Auntie Sass and Uncle Errol.
I would just want to say a big welcome
to Uncle Errol.
Always hard to get.
He's not my uncle, people. I just want to call him big respect.
So Lily, did you apologize for being late today?
What's wrong with you, News?
So we were supposed to leave home at 8 o'clock, and now it's 13 minutes past 1 Jamaican time. You understand? So this is Lily's 8 o'clock. Oh Jesus, that's ready and I wait and I wait and I wait.
Next time we're going to say 5.
5 a.m. 2 a.m. I'm not always late, people. I'm not always late.
What?
For her wedding.
She was late.
I was?
Yes.
No, I'm never late.
That better sweating, you know?
We did late? Awesome, I think so.
Yes, I'm going to go to the channel.
Oh, well, you know, so that is inevitable.
So where we going to cook today, Errol?
Chicken. Rice and peas.
Alright.
No,
Kalaloo rice?
Yes, I want kalaloo rice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Yo, people, man, I'm so happy that ladies are here with us today. You know, I'm not going to pot our kitchen today, you see me? And Lily and Sassy gonna cook, you see me? And me and Errol just build back. Maybe
And
drink a one dragon or a malt and just, you know, have a man talk. You know what I think, go? But ladies got in the kitchen today. You know, man no spoil food, you know. Let's see if these ladies are going to spoil today's meal.
Let us see.
Which is right. Oh my goodness.
St. Toolis. Then to Manchester.
So we're going to St. Toolis. We've never been there before. We're going to use the GPS to navigate our way there. So stay tuned.
I'm out.
Just like that. The road to St. Toolis, people. So guys, when we got to St. Toolis, you know, we park our car, and then I totally forgot to video the front part of the river, and then, you know, we were just unpacking and, you know, getting ourselves ready to go over onto the river, you know, to start cooking some nice food. So we totally forgot to take shots and scenes of the front part of the river. But anyway guys, when we got there and we look and we were trying to find a nice little area to just, you know, wine and dine and whatever, you know, the place was just so full. So this is where we got.
Go down the river. I meet you by the river. Come, change it.
Okay, set in.
I shall go, you know. Down there.
Right down there. The journey to Ernie.
From
Make Sassy go down. She don't need to carry nothing. Just go on.
So you don't want to come up?
Mm-hmm.
If you want me, you can walk on a scene, come up and come in now. If you want.
No, I'm tired.
How many is this? How you talk about it? How many of them? Clark Kent.
I mean, tell us to come on.
Baby, be careful. In the name of adventure with the neutral team. This is what the neutral team have us doing.
So people, at this moment I feel like Tarzan in the jungle. Trust and believe.
Hold on. So answer, so you cook today? Woo! That's it. How much pounds is this? It is. Do I fry my chicken with the skin or without the skin?
It depends on your preference. For me, I think it helps with retaining the texture of the actual meat inside.
So you know that we are all about cleanliness, regardless of we're cooking in the river. So we're not trying to litter.
People, we're not going to Jamaica.
None at all. Please don't do it. So we're gonna throw away the water from the chicken that don't go down into the river. There it goes. There it's coming back. So it's time to start seasoning the chicken. So, you know, it has always bothered me. If I'm cooking a pound of chicken, how much seasoning should I apply to a pound of my chicken? How much tablespoon of salt? How much tablespoon of black pepper, paprika, egg powder, whatever it is, should I apply to a pound of my chicken?
You do it until the ancestors touch you on the shoulder and say stop.
Oh my God. So, what if I'm not in tune with my ancestors? You tell me some pot gas salt?
You have to revisit your ancestors.
So finish, so finish. So finish, so finish. Ready?
Sassy, why is this chicken so political right now?
No, me already say
Oh my God. Yo, no big up Neutral Vibes TV there. Alright. Food so ready, man. Okay. Mad, man. Boom, 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 Yo, him on a real country man, you know. Anybody will use cursing there. Yo, my tree can't light fire at all. Can't light fire. I can't light fire.
What else about the fire?
Who light it?
What else say?
Who light it?
What else about the fire?
As long as you can catch some more, they stick them to me so whenever I'm ready, if they're Saskia fire, it's all.
Where are you cooking today?
Huh?
What are you doing now?
I'm gonna make some rice. Seasoned rice.
Rice with all of these?
Yeah.
You sure no meat you cook?
Sure, and I meat me and cook.
Oh gosh!
Cool, really, I'm going with a butter. No, like.
Can't give me a husband wife moment. Give me a chop sir. Give me a chop sir. Give me a chop sir. Alright. Look at Uncle find this for Neutral Vibes.
You know how to do them now. See? This I said this, you're going to need a pair of pots.
One fire boss, man.
One fire boss. You have a channel?
I don't have a channel. I have an Instagram and TikTok.
Alright, big up yourself.
Yeah, big up yourself.
So them can go over there.
My name is Hardball
Yeah?
on TikTok.
Alright.
Ball and TikTok.
So what kind of content you produce?
I don't produce the content. Just
You're DJ, you cook food. Okay.
Reality TV.
No, nothing like reality TV. We just get hurt by all the things and just.
Okay,
talk
okay,
about
man.
it.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah, man, we don't do nothing. But nice to meet you guys. What's your name on YouTube?
Neutral vibes.
Neutral Vibes.
Yeah, man.
So, all the River Vibes.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you guys.
So spell N-U-T-E-T-R-A-L.
Rep.
Big up yourself, my
Well,
boss.
they are taking on the thing, you know.
Yeah, man. I remember N-U-T-E-T-R-A-l. Neutral.
Neutral, so 2 T's.
Yeah.
His name and the ram and the track.
Yeah.
So, but you know, if you walk, it's like come water drink on and walk the way out the road.
Yeah.
That's what I mean. You know, if you walk,
What did you put in that pot now?
Callaloo.
Callaloo?
Already, yeah.
So I know callaloo different from spinach.
Alright, a callaloo rice and a rice, and callaloo is callaloo rice. your finger. It's hot? It's hot? It's hot, Newt? It's hot?
No, it's not.
It's cold? So why you say so? Like it's hot? Cause
You mean you're asking if it's spicy?
no, is the temperature good so I can put the rice in?
Mommy, what are you cooking?
Come on over and see it. Like?
Why Errol and Lily never tell me you to wear yellow and black too?
Cheers to many more.
Big up. Big up myself. Come on.
I'm ready to come in.
You really want to water grab down? These are not nice. That's not good. We have video.
Smell good, people. Look at that. Let me see now. Oh my gosh, man. Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Too easy.
Oh, say that again.
Too easy.
Too easy, people. Too easy.
That's the vibes, man.
Yeah, man.
This is the vibe. One neutral vibe.
Oh, you mean just like
River
that?
vibes.
River vibe, just
Right
like
on
that.
the river.
Rice done cooked, people. We'll have vibe with some Guinness. Yeah, man. Fire there, light up with some nice chicken aguan tonight. Watch mama wash her hand. Yeah, just like that. Right at the river. Ooh! Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh, man, Riverside. I meet you by the river, right where the fried chicken is cooking this way. Hell yeah. Yeah. So good.
Yo, what would women do without men?
What you talking about?
Drop me down and then I'll do it right.
But no fire today now. This I was
No worry, you said mega blow it up.
Alright, go on.
Yes, baby, blow it. So what are you doing? Yeah, fun.
yeah.
Not your ass, it's
Yeah. Yeah.
What is it?
That.
That's actually cashier.
What's here?
That's it, take it to dry too.
Oh my God,
This can eat it up meat, you know. You know, as a rice, you can eat it up meat.
Yeah, man.
man.
You see your food black, bro?
Oh, my. Right, but can eat up meat.
Alright. Came out. They're trying to prove that they are better than us men in the Herald. You see me? But them go on good today, you know?
And
Call-
next time, that would run down.
Alright.
Maybe me have to run down.
Alright, good. So big up with chef. Big up Sassy. She did the chicken. Big up Liddy. Kalaloo rice. And also special thanks to us men who carried down the chicken, who carried the coal, who carried the whole of the weight, you know?
All the way from up there.
All the way from this cliff side. That's the way I'm going to put it after this. Unusual vibes!
Woo! Yeah, Penny Live.
Alright then. What's the one here? Swag box, man. Fully up deep, man. You hear that? Yeah, I don't know. I have birthday today, you know?
Are your birthday today?
Yeah.
How you mean, man? We'll take care of you.
Man, one true believer, man. Done so one part, man. What's your name again, girlfriend?
Neutral vibe.
Alright, a new girl vibe today. I go and hold a mate today. You hear that? Yeah. Go and hold a fully active with her, you know? I river with it. True believer, no, man. Be all in again, man. I want swag daddy, man, for his birthday, man. I want a decent eater.
Oh, you mean?
Check it out.
Alright, check out the food.
Decent.
Feature the rice first.
You know, no, man. You know, no, man. This don't even want a chicken in it. Just the rice alone.
Oh my god!
Believe, man.
Oh my god!
No gravy, no one. Check it out again, man.
Alright, we want to check out the chicken too.
Believe, man.
To see if now we can cook.
Wow! Come down now, Miss Kitty. Come down now. Pops, we now got no Kentucky boy. Go ahead.
Oh, you mean?
No pan fried chicken boy.
Oh my god.
Boy, your feet big
love
with
it.
gumbat.
I love it.
Chicken. See chicken a boy.
Oh, you mean? Oh, you
Gumbat.
mean?
Check out this boy.
Oh, you mean?
Clean.
Oh, you
Done.
mean?
Make me start when me come.
You drink Guinness, my boss? You drink
Yeah.
Guinness?
No, me not finish. Me not eat till me finish. Me eat till me done.
I say if you drink Guinness.
Yeah, man. We all in, man. For the juice. They don't know.
I'll flip it what we see, no? Open it here?
Yeah, and thank you very much.
Oh, you mean? You drop in the water, but if you want, but the cap in can get it.
You're welcome, man.
Take up the cap.
Man,
See there? I give it me go for me juice. Done.
may I come there?
Done. Yes, the one here. I give it me go for me juice, you know.
Fully done.
Happy birthday, yeah, my friend.
One more year for them. Ah!
One more year.
Big up, big up, big up.
And big up Father God.
More life, more money, more wife. Yo!
One new Big up.
One new come and more tomorrow.
Yeah.
If you don't want to see that, I want nice market, so bite me right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Big up again, man.
Mad.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.